Welcome to our Cyber Insights podcast. Today we're diving into the intriguing world of backup failures, a true paradox where backups exist but just don't work when you need them.
Yeah, absolutely. So the discussion here centers around this idea that having backups isn't the end-all solution if you can't restore them properly, right?
Exactly. It's like you sleep soundly knowing your data's backed up until you hit that moment where the system tells you file not found or something's corrupt.
Really unsettling. And it gets crazier. The incident analysis points out that 68% of ransomware recovery failures happen not because the backups were missing, but because they were totally unusable.
Right, that's the kicker.
Yeah.
Organizations in sectors from banking to education have experienced this. I mean, banking systems had VM snapshots that got encrypted along with production data. Can you imagine?
It's like you've stored everything, but then the backup data is rendered nonsensical when pulled out in an emergency.
Exactly. And healthcare ran into issues with NAS backups, where a corrupted chain meant no independent copy existed, a severe gap in their disaster recovery plan.
That's a classic misstep. And then there's the e-commerce sector, where even cloud backups, due to IAM misconfigurations, got deleted by attackers. It's incredible how a tiny misconfiguration can cost 9 days of recovery.
Yeah, and let's not forget education. Tape archives exceeded their restore window by 21 days. The overarching message here? Backup confidence is only solid when you can actually
Right,
restore.
without restoration, they're just data stashes. That phrase really stands out. A backup is not a backup until it survives a restore. It shifts the focus from merely having backups to actually testing and validating them, doesn't it?
Exactly right. And the framework suggests some robust control tests, validating backup schedules, conducting random restore tests, ensuring immutable copies, and segregation of backup access.
Yep, those digits are key. I noticed they talked about a real-life case, the tampered snapshot incident at a fintech firm. The attacker, with compromised admin credentials, disabled all backup jobs just 15 days before a ransomware attack. That hit hard.
Yeah, that incident resulted in a multi-crore impact and loss of customer transactions for 3 whole days. It's a powerful illustration that relying solely on a backup existence isn't enough.
Absolutely a real wake-up call. And the proposed metrics, like the Backup Reliability Index, are fascinating. The transformation from a 42% restore success rate to 100% after implementing stronger controls is almost revolutionary, isn't it?
Indeed, it shows that with the right testing and practices, even if it sounds like routine housekeeping, organizations can truly bolster their disaster recovery.
Very true. But I do wonder, isn't there sometimes a chance that too frequent testing might itself lead to wear and tear, or even expose systems to accidental mishaps? How do you see that, playing into this strategy?
That's a fair critique. Testing must be balanced. You need enough tests to catch your backup's failure points, but not so many that they overload the system. It's about finding that sweet spot with risk management in mind.
Yeah, that makes sense. And it's clear that top-level leadership should start asking not, do we have backups, but when did we last perform a full restore? Doing so raises the trust level across board, right?
Exactly. It's about building digital trust by design. With the right tools, like Veeam, Rubrik, or AWS Backup with Vault Lock, the industry is moving toward reliable, nearly ransomware-proof backup strategies.
Yep, absolutely. In the end, organizations must adopt continuous validation for backup integrity. That way, backup confidence truly becomes a board-level trust metric.